Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if 19 kg of maize is required to make food for 627 people, then how many kilograms will be needed to make a food for 2409 people? Here we have given that 19 kg of maize is required to make food for 627 people. Okay, so quantity of maize required to make food for one person is given by total kg of maize, that is 19, divided by number of people, that is 627. So it is 1 by 33 kg of maize required to make food for a person. Okay, now from this we can calculate number of kilograms needed to make food for 2409 people, or number of people, that is 2409 into required, means quantity of maize required to make a food for a person. So it is 1 by 33, that is 73 kg of food, kilograms of maize needed to make a food for 2409 people. So our correct option is option A, which is 73 kgs.